Oracle has a well-known sales rhythm. Quarter end and especially fiscal year end are when they are most hungry to close deals. Oracle's fiscal year ends May 31st, and their sales reps are under enormous pressure as that date and each quarter end approaches. You can use this to your advantage. Plan your negotiation timeline so that Oracle knows the deal could close at a high-pressure time for them. Often, you'll notice Oracle suddenly offering a better discount or more favorable terms if you're willing to sign by a quarter-end date. You might hear lines like, "This pricing is only good if you sign this week, end of quarter." While you shouldn't let Oracle rush you into a bad decision with that line, it is true that their willingness to negotiate improves as their deadlines loom. The last weeks of Q4, May in particular, can yield the biggest concessions because sales reps are trying to hit annual targets. To capitalize on this, do your homework and be ready. Have your internal approvals lined up and be prepared to execute the contract when you're satisfied with the terms. Then, if Oracle's offer isn't good enough earlier in the cycle, you can hold off until late in their quarter, when they might come back with a sweeter deal rather than risk losing the sale. Essentially, you are timing the negotiation for when Oracle needs it most. However, maintain control of the timeline. Don't sign a subpar deal just because they set an artificial deadline. Instead, let the clock work in your favor. Oracle's urgency can translate into extra discounts for you. Call to action. Whenever possible, align your deal discussions with Oracle's quarter ends. Use their sales deadlines to extract a better price, not to cave in to pressure.